Special counsel Jack Smith makes an aggressive move and goes on offense against Donald Trump's efforts to delay his election interference trial. Smith earlier today asked the Supreme Court to rule on the former president's argument that he's immune from prosecution. Just hours after that, the High Court weighed in on the request. The justices want Trump to respond by December 20th, and they've agreed to put their consideration on whether to hear the case on a fast track. Jack Smith also revealed today that he plans to call an expert witness who analyzed data from phones Trump and others used on or around January 6th. That could be key to filling in details about Trump's actions around the time of the Capitol riot. Meanwhile, Rudy Giuliani, Trump's one-time lawyer and now co-defendant in the Georgia election case, was in court in D.C. for day one of his defamation trial. You may remember Giuliani's baseless claims that former Georgia election workers Ruby Freeman and her daughter, Shaye Moss, committed fraud in the 2020 election.
Tape earlier in the day of Ruby Freeman and Shaye Freeman Moss and one other gentleman quite obviously surreptitiously passing around USB ports as if they're vials of heroin or cocaine. It's obvious to anyone who's a criminal investigator or prosecutor they are engaged in surreptitious illegal activity.
Incorrect. During the January 6th hearings, they told the committee that they were just exchanging a ginger mint. They also testified about how they were harassed and threatened in the wake of Giuliani and Trump's lies. And here's what Giuliani said late today, again repeating those lies.
Whatever happened to them, which is, it's unfortunate if other people overreacted, but everything I said about them is true.
Do you regret what you did to Ruby?
Of course I don't regret it. I told the truth.
And of course, what Giuliani said right there was not the truth. The judge has already found Giuliani liable, and a jury of 8 will decide what he must pay. Ruby Freeman and Shaye Moss are seeking damages ranging from $15.5 million to $43 million.